Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating your Azure account and verifying billing so nothing blocks deployment. Once signed up, install Azure CLI and run as login to authenticate. This gives you scripted control. Make sure to pick a region and resource group now, because that determines latency and costs. You'll also set consistent naming conventions so resources stay organized. After these first steps, you're ready to provision minimal resources and test connectivity before moving to complex configurations. Once done with basics, provision a resource group and deploy core services like virtual machines, app service, storage, or Azure SQL depending on your app. Use VNets, subnets, and NSGs to isolate traffic and attach public IPs and a load balancer if you need external access. Make deployments repeatable with ARM templates or Bicep. That saves time and reduces errors. Also, put credentials into Key Vault and assign least privilege roles with RBAC so services can authenticate securely. You now deploy your app using CI/CD, connect GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps to push builds and releases automatically. After deployment, enable application insights and log analytics to collect telemetry. Set alerts and auto-scale rules so the system responds to load. Make backups, run disaster recovery tests, and validate cost reports and tagging for chargeback. If something goes wrong, check activity logs and metric charts first. A common fix is misconfigured NSGs or missing role assignments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.